Good morning, sirs.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
I'm Sanjeev from BC Media, and we are here to cover this IFSCC event. And on behalf of IFSCC Media, I would like to welcome you on board. And we have with us Mr. Manoj Agarwal, who is the founder and CEO of IS Power, and we have a budding scientist in place, Mr. Divyansh Agarwal with us, who are going to let us know about the journey that you have made so far, and their future plans, and what they made them going for Make in India product, and as their dream to be here. So, sir, can we have your
Yes,
inputs?
yes, definitely. You are telling about the Make in India, the dream project, Mr. Modi. According to Mr. Modi, our Prime Minister, that's why actually my planning is last 10 years back I was into the telecom company. I completely into the operations, and I found that the one more basic thing, or one common product we are getting from the China. That is called the SMPS, switch mode power supply. Basically, the few of manufacturers are developing this product in India. But after start this muhim, like Make in India and Develop in India, I've started this in 2018, this product in India, to develop all kind of SMPS, which we use in all kind of CCTV, RO and soundboard system, and to develop each and everything and start this my organization in 2018, IS Power Technology, to explore this our pan India. Also, we are just exporting our material to some other countries like Nepal and Bhutan this time also. And also we are this time very thankful to Mr. Modi, our Prime Minister, regarding to give support, getting support in terms of just getting material from China. The few of things like components and some ICs, and just developing each and every complete card and SMPS and develop here to give the support and product to our customers. Our basically we this time we covered the industry, almost surveillance industry, and some LED driver industry, and some can say sound industry. We cover almost the electronic segment. Thank you.
And what are your future plans?
My future plan is to explore this industry to reach up to the new goal, and we are just every time we just having an R&D process going on to develop new product every time.
You have an R&D team?
Yes, we have the own R&D team. We have the own testing equipments. Everything we have in house, and we also developing. We also just making the fundamental OEM and ODM, like in original equipment manufacturer. We are just providing the service to as a brand name. We are logo is just like you can say make your brand.
Your brand, and we'll be manufacturing it for you. High quality SMPS and
high quality SMPS. We can provide only the single roof.
Yeah. So you will provide the equipment, and the branding can be done by any other third party.
Any other third party with authorized certification with the client.
Last but not the least, going forward, don't you find that people are slightly on a back foot when they're going for the products made in India rather than the products which are known worldwide?
You are right, but actually we are always trying to. That is the main thing in electronics. So people also like the other country product like Taiwan, Japan. But every time we're trying to get my customers to give the best segment.
How has been the response?
The response is very good.
Yeah,
we are
the response is very good because the quality of our SMPS is very good, very appreciable. And you see, the only thing we're lacking behind is the components are still imported from China, and like it will be very great for India if we are able to manufacturing all these products in India, and then it will be truly 100% made in India and developed in India. And it will also have a great future. China has a great monopoly on all of these components, and that's why like they are still imported. But like if India can achieve that monopoly, and yes, we are already like succeeding that quality already.
Making good components.
Yeah.
So our R&D team is now gearing to give a competition to the US counterpart for their products.
Right.
And hopefully in the coming years we can give them a tough competition, and
Yes, definitely.
India can go ahead.
But now we are ready. Now this time we are very ready to compete each and every country to explore the Indian product.
Yeah.
And just to send the message to each and everyone, make in India and Swadeshi apnao, like that.
Thank you so much for
Yeah.
your time. And on behalf of BC Media, I would like to thank you
Thank
and
you very
wish you
much.
all the very best.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so
Yes.
much.